Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you another amazing AI tool in Canva called Text Art Maker. With this application we can create any letter filled with an image or object. Here in the page of the application, as you can see already, this letter A filled with this flower, the letter R is with this puzzle, and the letter T with the strawberries. And as you can see, create creative text with the graphic elements, design eye-catching visuals with the Canva. That's a pretty amazing application developed by Muhammad Munir Kamal. It's pretty easy to use, pretty straightforward, and I will show you how does it work. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already add two images, one for here and beach house and one for here is a strawberry. So I go into the apps and have to type text art maker. Here is the application. So I just change the text to B. Just figured out if the text is too long, that's not that nice. So if you would like to create a bit longer text, better to create one by one with letters with the same settings. That's much better. We can play the density, as you can see. We can also play with the minimum and the maximum size. And here we can choose a file, what we would like to use. Now I will use this one, the beach house. Now you can see already this letter B is filled with this beach house image. So if I reduce the density, I will have less images. Minimum size of the image. Also maximum size. And we just have to add to the design. Here is the letter B filled with this beach house images. If I go into the next one, I just change the file to the strawberry, changing to the letter S. And I think the maximum size will be increased a bit. It's much better, and maybe the density is just moving down to like 0.6. It looks good. Maybe 0.7. It's even better. Yeah. And now the minimum size, I just start to increase the minimum size. Yeah, now it's good. When we change something like density, then we can also play with a minimum and a maximum size to get the best possible outcome what we want. So here is the final outcome, this letter S filled with these strawberries. Maybe it's even better if I just using one single strawberry instead of this three strawberries, but this is just an example. I would like to show how it works. But when you are create your own design, of course you can play around with these items, find the best one what you need. But actually I have to say this application is also pretty amazing and I really love it. And hope so also you will like it. And if you really like the tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you missed anything or I miss anything, or also if you are struggling anything in a Canva, even with this AI applications, AI tools, or with any generic Canva questions. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page when you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are interested also in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.